we are the P-Market Lagos Trading Workshop, where we gathered a lot of traders and enthusiasts to come and see from our own point of view, come and experience FP Markets, what we're about, what makes us different from other brokers in the market.
FP Markets, our headquarters are in Sydney, Australia, and we have offices across the world and regions. We value you as a customer, not just because of what we want to gain from you, but we want to be that broker that will provide you the necessary assistance, necessary tools, and the proper guideline for you to be an excellent trader.
There is a lot of money in the foreign exchange market. People say it, we feel it, that people are buying this, they are buying that. But if your eyes is not open, you can never lay hold on that money. It is ideal as a normal market person to buy at discounted prices, which is one of the reasons why we now usually wait for price to retrace into more discounted levels.
One of the most things that we must, all of us, if you want to succeed in trading, is continuous learning. We should also review the trades that we take. You will never master your psychology if you do not follow or you do not have a set of rules. A stop loss strengthens your mindset in trading. Losing you must. That's a fact, because you can never have 100% win rate. But let it be, when you lose, you just lose very small.